Welcome to Needy Share. To get started and unlock all our premium features, let's complete a quick 3-step verification process. On the welcome screen, select your country, check out the current share price, and let's begin. In step 1, you need to provide your basic information. Fill in your phone number, your ID or passport number, date of birth, residential address, and your profession. Please ensure you are at least 18 years old, and all details perfectly match your O. Now for step 2, identity documents. Choose your preferred document type, such as a national ID card, international passport, or driving license. Upload a clear, glare-free photo of both the front and back sides of your document. Once uploaded, click Submit Documents. Next is step 3, Selfie Verification. You can easily click Skip for now and wait for review, but we highly recommend completing this step to enhance your security and unlock higher investment limits, allowing you to invest more than $500. To complete this, click Generate Code. Write the unique code clearly on a blank piece of paper. Hold it next to your face and take a clear selfie where both your face and the code are visible. Upload the photo and submit. Your profile will now go under review, which typically takes between 0 to 24 hours. Once fully verified, your account restrictions will be lifted. You can now enjoy fast deposits, seamless withdrawals, and invest in our shares without limits. Secure your account and start your investment journey today.